Welcome to 143 Citrine Drive in Bradford. This luxury home is upgraded from top to bottom. You don't want to miss out on this one. Have a look around with us. Smooth ceilings, pop lights, wainscoting, and hardwood floors throughout are just a few of the amazing features of this property. The large family room is complete with its built-in media unit. Get ready to invite all your friends over for a wonderful movie night and serve them amazing foods in your chef's kitchen. But wait, there's more. Downstairs, you'll find a glass enclosed gym with fireplace, large wet bar, and another built-in media unit, as well as a complete bathroom with heated floors and curbless shower. On the second level, you'll find 4 beautiful large bedrooms. Don't hesitate to contact us to book your private showing with us or to get more details about this amazing opportunity. You can always reach us at yourpropertyduo@gmail.com. We look forward to hearing from you.